Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews. So guys, today I bring for you wireless headset. It's a foldable wireless headset Bluetooth. Today we will unbox this wireless headset and check what is inside and also know about its specification and features. So stay with video. Okay, let's start. We will unbox this one. This is a Chinese brand wireless Bluetooth. Is a very affordable and cheap price. It's between $13 to $15. Very cheap price, but quality was very good. I already check 1 week this one after I am making review video. So let's open this box and I will show you this foldable wireless headset. So what we found in box: one foldable Bluetooth headset, one micro USB charging cable, and one manual. So first we check this one. This one 1 meter micro USB cable, and you can see this is available in different colors. I think more than 10 colors available this Bluetooth headset, so you can choose which one you like. I choose red color. So it's a glossy plastic material, you can see. So also you can adjust for its length, longer and shorter as you like. Also you can adjust this length of this Bluetooth. So what is in manual? In manual also have some features, instructions, so no need this manual. Manual is in English. So these three things inside this box we found. Its price in between $13 to $15 just. Okay, first we talk about its specification. It's a foldable wireless headset Bluetooth headphone which will give you stereo sound. It's with mic and SD card slot as well. You can use this headset as a hand-free call as well. Its specification is they are using Bluetooth 4.0. I think they need to improve because now in market everywhere using Bluetooth 5.0. So this one should be need to improve from 4.0 to 5.0. Its frequency in between 2.4 GHz to 2.8 GHz. Its power is 4 dBm. This Bluetooth headset effective range from your device to this Bluetooth in between 10 meters. So from your device to this Bluetooth in between 10 meter you can use this Bluetooth. Speaker size is 40 mm, which is quite good. 40 mm is standard size of speaker. Its charging voltage 3.7 volt DC, so you can use your mobile and your tablet charger as well for charge this device as well. Its talk time near about 12 hours and standby time almost 300 hours. Its battery is built-in battery which is 400 mAh battery. It's give you almost 10 to 12 hour backup time. So its charging time is almost 2 to 3 hour. 2-3 hour charge mean you can use 10 to 12 hour, almost 3 times greater than charging time backup power. Let's talk about its features now. This is Bluetooth plus MP3 function, support stereo music playing and also hand-free phone calling. This wireless headset support all audio devices that have Bluetooth capability such as cell phones, tablets, PC, laptop, computer. So it's mean any device which has Bluetooth capability, you can connect this Bluetooth headset with that device. So this Bluetooth also have 3.5 mm audio jack which provide a simple wired connection of variety of devices without Bluetooth. It's mean if you are not using Bluetooth, so you can use auxiliary cable, because this one 3.5 mm jack to any device like your mobile phone, computer, any device, your LED TV which has 3.5 mm jack, so you can connect this Bluetooth with that device without Bluetooth connection. This wireless headset allow you to answer reject phone call anytime anywhere. It's mean if you are wearing this Bluetooth, so no need to pick your phone, you can answer your call and reject your call with this Bluetooth device as well. This wireless headset playing time up to 10 to 12 hours, music playing time or call time in between 8 to 10 hours, and standby time 250 to 300 hours, so enough time for standby this one. And also you can see this is a good quality foldable design, adjustable length, this one adjustable length as well, you can see. Due to this adjustable length, it's very comfortable to wear and easy to carry. So because this one foldable, so very easy to carry anywhere, any place you can carry easily this one, and very comfortable to wear as well. As you like, you can adjust this one. There is also one SD card slots, so it's mean without any Bluetooth or without any wired connection, you can enjoy music direct. Put your SD card in this Bluetooth device and you can enjoy your music, you can listen your music without any Bluetooth and wired connection. So this is the features of this Bluetooth. Let's check what other things have. This is the charging jack, micro USB charging jack. This is 3.5 mm jack for aux cable connection. This is micro SD slot. This is menu button, menu and equalizer you can select from here. This is volume rocker key for reduce and increase volume. This is for reduce volume. This is play pause and receive call, reject call. And this is for next and volume increase button. This is the on off button of this Bluetooth. So when you on this device, you can see there is light, blinking light will show you status of this Bluetooth. Now this Bluetooth is in pairing mode. So first we will check charging of this Bluetooth, how to charge, and then we will connect one device and check its sound quality. Charging, you need to off your device. I already off, you can see. Put micro USB cable on charging slot, micro USB connector, and connect with any your mobile device's charger. As you can see, I already connect this Bluetooth charging and it's red LED indication showing me it's in charging mode. You can see red LED showing me the charging status. So no need to charge now. Let's connect this Bluetooth with one device and check its connectivity. Here you can see this is the our Bluetooth device LPT660. We try to pair this one. I just connecting, it's asking Bluetooth require. So my Bluetooth device successfully connected. Now I play music and show you its music quality as well. But keep in mind, I am playing music from my mobile device and you are listening from your mobile device as well. So only you can judge how its music. So guys, this is the music. You can see very loud and clear music, and when you wear this one, this Bluetooth, it has a good bass and also equalizer here, so you can adjust equalizer as you like. So this is very good bass and sound quality also very good. And I also checked this Bluetooth in calling mode also. This is mic very clear, so clearly you can talk anyone anywhere. So this is the today review about this wireless headset. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like, before going, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting, guys. Stay safe. See you next video. Take care. Bye.